this is the opportunity for you. And I'll use the coaching example in the fitness space, for example. Hell, I'll even use Daniel's example first. Okay, so Joe, you know what? You reached out to me because you've got a business that is at a stagnant area, and you want to be able to get to that next level, and you want to be able to create a funnel that's going to be able to get you these more leads so that you could grow your dojo. You called me because you know that I help people do this on a consistent basis. How often is it that you get to this space where you might be feeling like you're nervous about making a decision like this? He's not calling me out on any BS yet. He's just asking, how am I feeling? Both men and women, we feel, I'm about to spend money, right? When the value's high, people buy. So the right brain says, wow, I'm excited, I'm going to do it. The left brain's like, how much money, how much money, how much money, right? And so if at this point we're at that precipice, and so we have to come back to, is the value proposition there? And have you ever been in a position where you need to make the decision and you're holding back?